Hello everyone. In this video we'll learn how to change password in Microsoft Teams using mobile or system application. So let's start our step-by-step tutorial. Okay, so now the first step is you have to type portal.office.com. That you can do either from your mobile phone or you can use system. The only thing you need to do is you need to have one browser. Type this link and go to portal.office.com. So let's go to portal.office.com. After that they will ask you your login credentials. Okay, so carefully enter your login credentials, and after successful login you will see this page. Okay, so go to right, click here, and after that go to my account. Here click on my account. So now the fourth option from the top, extreme left, check the fourth option from the top. The fourth option from the top is your password. Click on password. So here now you have the option to change password. The first thing is you have to put your old password. So type your old password here. And before you create new password, I will tell you that new password should be the combination of either uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and symbols. Okay, so by combining numbers, symbols, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, create a new password. Type the same password again to confirm it and click on this submit button. Okay, after that what you can do is you can try to check the password. Go here, log out, and then sign in by using your new password. Thank you everyone for watching this step-by-step tutorial. This will help you to change password for your Microsoft accounts.